So if you all know, Kikoff offers three kinds of plans. We have the Kikoff Basic, the Kikoff Premium, and the Kikoff Ultimate. So if you're just starting out, the $5 monthly basic plan is perfect because you get a $750 trade line, no credit check, and monthly reporting to all three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. It's low cost and effective. Now, if you want to step up, you can do it with the $20 per month, which is Kikoff Premium, which gives you a 2,500 trade line plus free rent reporting. That means you get credit for paying your rent on time, and you also unlock full credit report access from all three bureaus. Now, what if you need more power, you need more control, and you want the best for yourself? You can get the Kikoff Ultimate at $35 per month, and this one includes a 3,500 Kikoff trade line and rent reporting and $1 million identity theft insurance and personal data protection. So the best for beginners would be the $5 per month. If you want faster growth and rent reporting, go for premium. If you want full coverage and protection, choose ultimate. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helps you out. This is Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.